I'm going to be showing you the baby birds in my back garden. I need to do it quick because the mum might come back. They're proper cute, they're like little pink balls and they go when they want food because they can hear rustling, you know, because they're blind. Come on, let's go and see them. Kitties, do the mouth thing. Oh, how cute is that? How cute are they? Papa wanting food from, so that's not gonna give food. Gave food to the mum, but the mum doesn't like try to eat it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep coming out here and gonna just gonna give the mum some food and look after the mum shits herself off me. So yeah.